This video explains how to set the time and date on your G-Shock DW-5900 watch. In timekeeping mode, hold down the adjust button until the seconds start to flash to start the setting mode. Now, use the start button to reset the seconds. Press the mode button to select the home city settings. Use the start button and the light button to choose the desired city code. Now, choose the daylight settings by pressing the mode button. You can toggle the daylight saving setting on and off using start button. Choose the hour setting by pressing the mode button and adjust it using start button and light button. Similarly, minute settings can be selected by pressing the mode button and use start button and light button to adjust it. Press the mode button to set the time display format and toggle it between 12-hour and 24-hour format by pressing the start button. Now, pressing the mode button will select the year setting, and you can adjust the year using start button and light button. Press the mode button to set the month and use start button and light button to adjust it. Choose the day setting by pressing the mode button and adjust it using start button and light button. Exit from the setting mode to timekeeping mode by pressing the adjust button.